Hi, and welcome to Rural Art Connection, the place where your boredom ends and creativity begins. Today we are going to do candy corn jewelry. So let's get started. To begin this, you're going to need at least 2 regular size paper clips. And you're going to open them up into a triangle shape or the general shape of a candy corn. If you want to have a full set and do a necklace piece as well, you will want a large paper clip that you will open up into the triangle shape to create the pendant for your necklace. The thread that we are using is the same kind of thread you would use to make friendship bracelets or for embroidery. And you want these 3 colors if you want to do the classic candy corn look, so the white, the orange, and the bright yellow. So to begin with, you're just going to start with your white thread, and you're going to start to wrap it around your paper clip. And I went ahead and taped the 2 ends together to try to keep it from slipping apart. It still tries to come apart a little bit, so this is the most difficult part of this whole project right here, is trying to keep the 2 ends of the paper clip fused together while you wrap the embroidery thread around the edge of your paper clip. And I went ahead and instead of just going around and around and around, when I started to wrap my paper clip, I went in a figure 8 pattern. So you'll see me wrap it around the paper clip, through the center, and then come out on the opposite side. So if you look down at my paper clip, it would be a figure 8. As you wrap your thread around your paper clip, you want to make sure that you are adding glue to the paper clip to help adhere the thread tightly to that paper clip. So you can use the stick glue, you can use Elmer's glue. I would not recommend hot glue for this. So as you work through, you'll just move through your colors, so white, orange, and then into yellow. Here I'm kind of doing both the orange and the yellow at the same time, but you can also go one color band at a time. Either way, it's however is best for you. So if you pay attention, you can see me weaving in and out. So I'm making a figure 8 or an infinity symbol rather than just wrapping around and around and around the paper clip. It felt more secure this way to me, and then I would loop it around and make knots intermediately to tighten it to the paper clip. To attach my pendant to my cord that I have here, I just simply added a jump ring and then closed the jump ring up around the cord to secure it, and that is all I need. And so you have a really cute pendant, matching earrings, and it's a perfect accessory or gift for Halloween or any autumn or fall type celebrations you might be experiencing this time of year. So please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you're going to try this out yourself. Let me know how it goes, and I will catch you in the next one.